Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Santa Fe battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Wear protective safety glasses and gloves to shield your hands and eyes. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always locate the negative terminal first, as this is crucial for a safe disconnection process. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Using an appropriate wrench, typically a 10mm, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Once loose, remove the negative cable and secure it away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. Next, repeat this exact process for the positive terminal, ensuring that cable is also safely out of the way. This prevents electrical shorts. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. First, locate the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in its tray. This is often a 12 or 13mm bolt. Carefully remove this securing mechanism. Now, with both hands, gently lift the old battery straight out of the battery tray. Take a moment to inspect the tray for any signs of corrosion or debris before placing the new one. Installing your new battery is straightforward. Carefully place the new battery securely into the clean battery tray. Begin by connecting the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it is also tight. Double-check all connections. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.